Assalamualaikum and very good morning to my lovely student. How are you all? I hope you are all well at home. So welcome back to my mathematics class 4. So students, chapter 8, cards and wheels. Right? So today I'm going to start your new lesson, which is your chapter number 8, cards and wheels. So first of all students, I'm going to explain you in a textbook work, right? Then I'll take some CW work also. Okay, so first I'll explain you in a textbook. So let's see students, in your textbook what it is given.
Okay students, so today we will start a new lesson, which is your chapter number 8, cards and wheels, right? So students, in the maths textbook page number 81, your chapter number 8 is there, cards and wheels. So in the first page students, here the given cards and wheels means in this lesson we will learn about the circle shape, right? Do you know, you have idea of how to draw a circle by tracing a bangles, by tracing a bowls, by tracing a coin. You can draw it a circle, but you know that in mathematicals we have to draw a circle a perfect way using a mathematical instrument, right? Yes or no? So here also students, so many things given in your first page, which is came in a round or a circle shape, right? So wheels of different vehicles like cars, bus, right? And cycles also. And on the traffic signals, the sign shows the round in a round shape. Can you see like this? Red, yellow and green, which is also in a round shape. Then drums, then a bowl which we kept in our kitchens, right? Tire of a cycle. Then a potter use a moving round circle like this, right? On it he puts a mud and giving a shape on the moving wheels, right? Potter says putting a mud on this moving wheels and giving a shape to the pot, but pot to make a perfect pot. Yes or no? And since you also say so many things which is came in a round, right? Like a coin, right? Then your girls wearing a bangles. Do you remember? Girls wearing a bangles also came in a round shape, or girls wearing a rings on their fingers, which is comes in a round shape. Yes or no? So here we just discussing about the things which is came in a wheels means the round shape, a circle. So in this lesson we will learn about the circle. Now let's move towards the next page. Okay students, so on the page number 82, here the page we will omit. Why? Because this is not the things to discuss. Here the different shape bangles are given and you have to just guess what, that which bangle is good for you, means which bangle is of your size, that you have to find out it. So in this didn't we are omitting because it's not very that much important, right? So students, on the page number 83, this is also here it is given that we have to discuss the game where the round shape, if we are arranging the students in a round shape or anywhere by playing a game, if we are drawing like this the circle or round shape, that we have to discuss is like here the games, right? When we are the kids, हम लोग जब kids थे ना, this game we are playing, that every children are sitting in a round shape, the circle shape like this, and two kids were catching each other by running after them, right? है ना, ऐसे उनको खेलना था, राउंड शेप में एक दूसरे को पकड़ना था. Then this game is about dogs and bonds, right? We have to draw a circle in the center. We are having two games and here we are putting a bonds and one of them have to catch it and no, the other person will not touch it if it will, right? आप सबने games खेली है ना, dogs and bonds, yes or no? Then this game, do you know students, this is called hula hoop, right? What we have to do in this hula hoop, we don't have to we have to move this ring around our body. It should not touch the ground. हमें इसको ground पे गिरने नहीं देना है. We have to try to moving around the bodies also, right? Okay students. So also students, if you are seen in the TVs, हम लोग जो TVs में भी देखा है, the boys are playing कुश्ती, वो लोग कुश्ती खेलते हैं ना. So कुश्ती में भी क्या होता है, a big circles were there. In it you have to play the games only, right? Then this one, आप लोग ने ये भी देखा है ना, जिसमें हम निशानबाजी लगाते हैं, सेंटर पॉइंट पे हमें पॉइंट्स करना होता है by throwing arrows, है ना? Right? So there are so many games where the circle came. Okay, so these are the on this page just discussion about the games which wherever we found any circle by drawing it or forming a circle, etc. Okay, now we'll move towards the next. Number 84. Here the three friends were there, Naina, Chippu and Ariba. They wants to play a game. So what they are doing? They are drawing a circle using a stick on the floor. But students, they are discussing that this is not the perfect circle or this is not look the circle, right? Because they are trying, but we can't say it's a perfect circle. Anywhere it is bent down and anywhere it is circle, so it is not the perfect circle. So everyone tried there. So Chippu also tried, Naina also tried and Ariba also tried, but now none of them circle is look as a circle. So they are thinking any other points or any other option where they can find the perfect circle. So on the next page what they found, it's given over here on the page number 85 that they use a rope and the nails. What they use? Rope and the nails. What they did, students? So they take a rope of any length, right? And one end of the rope they tied up on the nails. One end of the rope they tied up and fixed to the ground. This nail point they fixed it, and on the other hand of that rope they tied up any stick or a pencil. They wants to draw it, right? For drawing a circle. Now what they are doing? The one girl which is fixed the nail standing is only sitting over here, and this other girl using the other end of the rope and moving a straight way to draw a perfect circle, right? Yes or no? And students, this distance between this both the end of this rope means this distance we consider as a radius. इसको क्या बोलते हैं हम? Radius. And the point which we fixed over here on that nails, which is called the center of a circle. इसको क्या बोलते हैं हम? Center point. जहाँ पे हम फिक्स्ड किया था ना नेल, वहाँ पे फिक्स करके फिर हमने अदर हैंड जो थ्रेड का था वी आर मूविंग अराउंड टू ड्रॉ सर्कल. तो जो फिक्स पॉइंट है ना उसको हम सेंटर बोलते हैं. हियर ऑल्सो दिस इज कॉल्ड सेंटर. एंड रेडियस मीन्स डिस्टेंस फ्रॉम सेंटर टू एनी पॉइंट ऑफ दी सर्कल. सर्कल के कोई भी पॉइंट का डिस्टेंस यानी सेंटर से कोई भी पॉइंट सर्कल का हम लें तो वो लेंथ या फिर डिस्टेंस को हम क्या बोलते हैं? रेडियस. दिस इज कॉल्ड रेडियस. रिमेंबर इट स्टूडेंट्स, फ्रॉम द सेंटर any point of the circle all are considered as a radius, and the length of all the radii is always same. Yes or no? रेडियस की जो लेंथ होती है ना सभी होती है वो सारी रेडियस, चाहे आप ये पॉइंट्स लो, दिस पॉइंट, एनी पॉइंट, सेंटर ऑफ द एनी पॉइंट ऑफ द सर्कल इज ऑलवेज सेम. Clear? So center circle having so many radius, we can say radii, right? Yes or no everyone? Right? So this is the instruments that we are going to use to draw a circle, which is called rounder also, or you can say it as a compass. Okay, so for students now onwards you have this compass or rounder, right? You have, so that we can draw a circle, a perfect circle we can draw it, right? So for that students you require a rounder or a small pencil, and also you have this scale also, right? Why we have to use scale? Because if we want to draw a circle of any centimeter or any length, for that we have to measure that length, okay, on that compass or rounder, so that we will able to draw a circle of a perfect length, perfect radius, right? So now onwards we will draw a circle using the compass or the compass and a scale and a pencil. Clear? So everyone have this compass or round with you. Is that clear to everyone? Here it is given what was the radius of the smallest circle, means we have drawn over here, see this, we have, if you want to find out the length of this radius, so using scale we will measure the length of, so that I am measuring it and showing you. See, अगर if you want to measure the length of a radius, circle की radius की length measure करनी है, for that students either you can fix on the scale on if you fix the zero either on the center point, or you can fix on the any point of the circle also, end of it, right? So first I am putting I am fixed the zero at the center point like this to measure the length of a radius, right? So students, if you will see, so if I measure the length of this radius of this circle, I found it 1.7, and using a small scale, means on the scale we are measuring it, so we will use a centimeter unit, right? So 1.7 centimeter length of this radius. Is that clear to everyone?
Now students, we will see the definition sums regarding the circle, right? In this lesson we will learn, as I told you, we learn about the circle. So first, circle is a plane shape, right? From the second standard we will I think from the first standard we will learn about the plane shapes, right? That square, rectangle, triangle, circle, oval, these are the all plane shapes. So circle is also, students, a plane shape, and circle has no sides, no corners. That also we learned from the first standard or second standard, right? That circle having neither any sides nor any corners. यानी circle को ना कोई sides होती है, ना ही कोई ऐसा corner points होता है. It is just made of one curved line, right? So here the definition of a circle given, students. So you can clearly see that circle, it is means circle is a collection of points that joined together that are equidistant. Equidistant, what it is, students? Equidistance का मतलब क्या होता है? Equal distance. क्या होता है? Equal distance from a given point, from a given point, and that given point is called a center. इसको क्या बोलते हैं हम, students? Center. Now students, that I am explaining you in the figures. Can you see these figures? Right? So definition of circle is, means, students, it is a collection of points that join together which are equidistant from the given point. यानी ये हमारा given point है जिसको हम बोलते हैं center. Center से जितने भी points हैं जो हमने joins किए ना, सभी का distance center से equal ही होगा. Clear? Understood? Definition of a circle. So circle is the collection of points joined together that are equidistant from a given point. Clear? Now students, this thing right now you don't have to write down anywhere. You just have to concentrate and try to understood. Okay? This one PDF of the notes of these circles and everything, I will give it in a PDF form on our group, so that you have to write down from that. Okay? Now students, we will see the parts of a circle. Now what we will see? The parts of a circle, means in the circle different things were there, and that I am going to explain you the definition. Then I will denote you in the figure. Okay, so your first part of the circle, which is your radius. What is, students, here? Radius. So radius definition is distance between the center and any point on the circle. Distance between center and any point on the circle, which is called radius. Now students, I am showing you on the figure distance between center and any point of the circle. Can you see? On the circle we denote P, B, Y, X, O. So students, you can see OY is also radius, OX is also radius, OA is also radius, O and P is also radius, and O and B also radius, and all these are equal in our length. So students, right now I am denoting OP which is your radius. Yes or no everyone? So radius means distance between center and any point of the circle, right? So there were so many radius. Can you see? OP, OB, OY is also, if you are drawing a line to join O and Y, which is also your radius. And if you are joining joining these two points O and X, which is also your radius, and OA is also radius. Clearly understood? So now students, here I am mentioning the radius, which is your OP, OA, OB, you can say OX also and OY also. So these are all the radius of this figure. Now students, plural of a radius is radii. What it is called? Radii. इसको हम क्या बोलेंगे? Radii. Right. Plural means one more. You can see that there were so many radius. Can you see? So we can call it as a radii. So there were so many radii were there. OP, OA, OB, OX, OY are radii of the circle. Clear? Can we move towards the next parts of a circle? In the figure, if you are drawing a circle using this rounder or a compass, we are drawing a circle using this rounder or a compass. So at that time students, here we are arranging a pencil and this point we are pointing over here, which is fixed, and we are just moving it like this and drawing a circle. So that fixed point, ये जो हम point यहाँ पे fix करते हैं ना, which is called the center of the circle. Is that clear? So if you are also drawing a circle, so how you will find out center, that I am telling you, right? So जब आप लोग circle draw करते हो ना, तो ये point आप fix रखते हो and you are just moving this one to draw a circle. तो ये जो fix आप करते हो ना, which is called the center of the circle. Clear? Radius. Right? So radius having 2 points to join it, but center only 1 point, which is a O. So if I am asking that which point is the center of the circle, so you have to say O. O is the center of the circle, right? And radius, so radius having 2 points always, center having only 1 point, which is O, right? And radius OP, OB, OA, OX, OY. These are all radii of the circle. Clear everyone? Now students, here next definition is everyone look here, CHORD, which is called chord. इसको क्या बोलते हैं हम? Chord. क्या बोलते हैं students? Chord. So chord is a line segment that join 2 points on the circle. मीन्स सर्कल के किसी भी 2 पॉइंट्स को ज्वाइन करती हुई लाइन को हम बोलेंगे कॉर्ड. समझ में आ गया? कॉर्ड मीन्स व्हाट? अ लाइन सेगमेंट दैट जॉइंट 2 पॉइंट्स ऑन द सर्कल. सर्कल के किसी भी 2 पॉइंट्स को ज्वाइन करती हुई जो लाइन है उसको हम बोलेंगे कॉर्ड. Here, can you see this X and Y and A and B? These are the both point, all the points which is on the circle, है ना? अब आपको students X और Y दोनों सर्कल के पॉइंट से उसको ज्वाइन करती हुई ये जो लाइन है उसको हम बोलेंगे कॉर्ड. क्लियर? So chord means what? A line segment that joined any 2 points. Students, chord is also XY is also. आप A और B, AB को भी आप chord बोल सकते हो. और आप देख सकते हो A and P. These are also 2 points of the circle. And if you are drawing line to join these 2 points, right? So this line is also called a chord. इसको भी हम बोलेंगे chord. So AP is also chord, AB is also chord, and XY is also chord. Is that clear? That we found AB as a chord, XY, and if we are joining A and P by drawing a line, so AP is also chord. Clear everyone? Understood? Sure? Now let's see students next, which is your, everyone see here, DIAMETER, which is called diameter. डायमीटर, इसको क्या बोलते हैं स्टूडेंट्स हम? डायमीटर. डेफिनेशन ऑफ डायमीटर इज a longest chord. Chord, do you know? Chord means a line segment that join 2 points on the circle. So a longest chord of the circle which passes through the center of the circle. यानी आपके सर्कल में जो कॉर्ड लॉन्गेस्ट यानी सबसे लंबी है, राइट. अब आपको पता होगा सर्कल पे कोई भी 2 पॉइंट्स को आप ज्वाइन करोगे विच इज कॉल्ड कॉर्ड, बट द डायमीटर विच इज द लॉन्गेस्ट कॉर्ड होनी चाहिए, जिसकी लेंथ सबसे ज़्यादा होनी चाहिए. द लॉन्गेस्ट कॉर्ड विच पासिस थ्रू द सेंटर ऑफ द सर्कल, और वो सेंटर में से पास भी होनी चाहिए, उसी को हम बोलेंगे डायामीटर. यहाँ पे बहुत सारे ऐसे कॉर्ड होगी. अगर मैं यहाँ पे 2 पॉइंट्स ड्रॉ कर लूँ विच इज़ ऑल्सो कॉर्ड, बट डायमीटर हम उसको बोलेंगे जो लॉन्गेस्ट होगी और सेंटर पॉइंट में से पास होनी चाहिए, विच इज़ द मेन इम्पॉर्टेंट कंडीशन फॉर अ डायमीटर. डायमीटर के लिए बहुत ही इम्पोर्टेंट है कि वो सेंटर में से पास होनी चाहिए. लॉन्गेस्ट कॉर्ड तो होनी चाहिए बट इट शुड बी पासिस थ्रू द सेंटर ऑफ द सर्कल. क्लियर. तो कौन सा हमारा डायमीटर हुआ? ए बी इज द डायमीटर ऑफ द सर्कल, right? So we find out it AB as a diameter. Clear? Now next is circumference. What it is, students? Circumference. Circumference is the length of the outer boundary of a circle. सर्कल की आउटर बाउंड्री जो हम ड्रॉ करते हैं ना, उसकी टोटल लेंथ को हम बोलेंगे circumference, right? So see here, the outer boundary means this one. Length of this outer boundary is called circumference. Clear? सर्कमफ्रेंस किसको बोलेंगे? ये जो हम आउटर बाउंड्री ड्रॉ करते हैं ना सर्कल की, उसकी टोटल लेंथ को हम बोलेंगे सर्कमफ्रेंस. क्लियर? And now students, here the two terms given which is very important and you should have to learn this, as this one is very important. It is diameter is equals to 2 multiplied by radius, यानी रेडियस का डबल होता है. आपको यहाँ पे फिगर में दिखाओ स्टूडेंट्स, सी ए एंड बी. ए बी इज देयर. अब ए बी की टोटल अगर हम लेंथ फाइंड आउट करें, इफ़ यू आर फाउंड द लेंथ ऑफ ए बी, तो क्या होगा? ओ बी प्लस ओ ए, ऐसा ही होगा ना. सी ए बी का लेंथ ओ बी प्लस ओ ए, ये दोनों डिस्टेंस को अगर हम ऐड करेंगे सो टोटल ए बी मिल जाएगा हमें. येस और नो? राइट. सो हियर दैट्स वाई ए बी प्लस इज इक्वल्स टू ओ बी प्लस ओ ए. अब आपको स्टूडेंट्स पता है ओ बी और ओ ए दोनों ही रेडियस है. हमने बताया था ना, ओ बी और ओ ए दोनों ही रेडियस है, और रेडियस सभी सेम ही होती है. कोई भी लेंथ, सभी की लेंथ रेडियस की से ऑलवेज इक्वल. सो इफ ओ बी एंड ओ ए बोथ इक्वल, so if you want to find out diameter means 2 times we will add the radius, means 2 multiplied by radius. Is that clear? And if you want to find out radius from the diameter, so we will find out half of a diameter. डायमीटर का हाफ फाइंड आउट करेंगे ना तो हमें रेडियस मिल जाएगी. क्लियर? सो दिस 2 टर्म्स एटलीस्ट यू शुड नो फॉर द फर्दर स्टडी. ये आपको पता होना चाहिए. डायमीटर इज 2 times रेडियस एंड रेडियस इज हाफ ऑफ डायमीटर. एवरीवन क्लियरली अंडरस्टूड?
Okay, so in the circle given below, name the following. Here first click your students this screen, you can see the picture clearly. On the circle there were O, S, T, L, Y points were there which is on the circle, and X is over here, right? Now we see, now observe everyone carefully this figure. Okay, now from that you have to find out that which one is the center point of the circle, which one is the chord of the circle, which one is the diameter, and which one is the radius, right? So first of all we will see the center. So students, center point means what? So center की definition हमने देखी थी. Why we are defined the circle definition, that circle is a collection of points joined together that are equidistant from a given point. यानी किसी भी पॉइंट से, किसी एक पॉइंट से सेंटर के सारे पॉइंट्स एक दूसरे के साथ ज्वाइन है ना, तो डिस्टेंस उनका इक्वल होता है. तो वो जो पॉइंट्स होता है ना, जिसके जहाँ से सभी सर्कल के पॉइंट्स इक्वल होते हैं, वो पॉइंट को हम सेंटर कंसीडर करते हैं, राइट? सो हियर ऑल्सो स्टूडेंट्स, व्हाइल यू आर ड्राइंग अ सर्कल यूजिंग अ राउंडर और अ कंपास, आप लोग भी जब कंपास और राउंडर यूज़ करते हो ना टू ड्रॉ अ सर्कल, right, like this one, right? So student, first you are fix this point, you are taking some measurement, you are keeping your pencil over here, and this point is always fixed. हम लोग यहाँ पे ड्रॉ करने के लिए ये पॉइंट यहाँ पे ऐसे फिक्स कर देते हैं, and then we are rotating like this to draw a circle. तो स्टूडेंट्स, ये जो फिक्स पॉइंट होता है ना, दिस वन वी कंसिडर एज अ सेंटर पॉइंट, यानी हमारा सेंटर पॉइंट कौन सा है? दिस वन, यानी कौन सा है? एक्स. सो वी गॉट सेंटर एज ए एक्स. क्लियर एवरीवन? वी अंडरस्टूड सेंटर पॉइंट इज एक्स. नाउ नेक्स्ट इज अ कॉर्ड. तो स्टूडेंट्स, कॉर्ड की डेफिनेशन क्या थी? दैट अलाइन सेगमेंट दैट जॉइंट एनी टू पॉइंट्स ऑन द सर्कल, राइट? सर्कल के किसी भी 2 पॉइंट्स को ज्वाइन करती हुई लाइन को हम बोलेंगे कॉर्ड, राइट? तो स्टूडेंट्स, आप देख सकते हो ऑन द सर्कल देयर वर सो मेनी पॉइंट्स, O, S, T, L, Y. These are the points on the circle. We have to find out that which 2 points are joined with a line on the circle. So here you can see the point S and the point T. These 2 points are joined by a line, and both the points are on the circle. Means S and T we consider as a chord, right? So ST is our chord, right? So what we get as a chord? ST, right? So here we have to write down answer ST. Now students, see, now here you can see 2 more points, which is your point O and the L. Students, this one is also called as a chord, right? But students, if you will observe carefully, the O point, see, this OL passes through the center. This one is your center point, right? So this OL line is passing through the center. Means we all know the definition of diameter is the longest chord which is passes through the center of the circle. यानी सेंटर में से पास होने वाली लॉन्गेस्ट कॉर्ड को हम बोलेंगे डायामीटर, यानी OL हमारा क्या होगा? डायामीटर. सो हियर स्टूडेंट्स, you can write down OL in diameter also, and students, OL you can write down it as a chord, because OL is also one kind of longest chord, okay, and OL is also considered as a diameter also, okay. Now we have to find out the radius. Now students, definition of radius is distance from the center to any point of the circle, राइट? डिस्टेंस सेंटर से सर्कल की किसी भी पॉइंट्स को ज्वाइन करती हुई लाइन, डिस्टेंस को हम कंसिडर करेंगे रेडियस. तो स्टूडेंट्स, अगर आप ध्यान से देखोगे दैट फ्रॉम द सेंटर पॉइंट एंड द सर्कल पॉइंट सो मेनी लाइन्स वेर ज्वाइन. फ्रॉम द सेंटर देयर इज एक्स वाई इज ऑल्सो, एक्स एल, एक्स ओ. So these are the 3 radii of the circle, right? One more time I am showing you center point to any point of the circle, right? So x, y, x, l and x, o. Understood? So that I am mentioning over here. So x, y, x, l and x, o. So these are the 3 radii or radius of the circle. Clear everyone? Everyone understood this question?
Okay students, so till here I have complete one exercise regarding circle. Inshallah, in my next video I will explain you further exercise. Okay, so take care of yourself and Allah Hafiz everyone.